Oh, listen to them church bells ringing. It's Sunday, guys. I'm here at the gym. Rough plan for today. Man, big thing is I need to push something. I need to pull something. I need to not get injured. That's the big thing. I need to walk away. I mean, I know when I get home, I'm probably going to go straight to the living room floor and lay there for an hour with my back being nice and tight. But I need to be in a better position than I have been recently. So, you know, the big thing, I want to push something on the Viking press, maybe some accessories on the press. I do want to pick something up off the floor. I want to do something for legs, and I want something productive today without injuries. My gym was robbed again today. If you didn't pick that up, my gym has been robbed twice so far this Easter. A few weeks ago, they stole 2 of my large flipping tires again, just like they did last year, which we replaced. And then they got real ballsy last night or yesterday and walked right up here on the front porch and took 2 forklift tires that I had natural stones sitting on top so they wouldn't take them, as well as sandbags. Each one of those are 220 pounds each. Some church, huh? Took them down to the church and burned them yesterday, and nobody said a doggone thing. So welcome to Cyprus, what can I say? So I would be lying if I said that wasn't bothering me, but I gotta suck it up and get back outside and do some kind of training today and see what I can get doing. So it's time to get moving, guys. Time to push, time to pull. That's big. Come on. Easy. Nice. Nice. Come on. Nice. Come on. Nice. Nice work. That's number 4. One more. Come on. Nice. Easy. Easy reps. That's it, come on, drive them up. Drive them up. One. Nice. Get that rhythm of that rope. That's it. 20 left. Twelve. 10. 7. 4. 9. 3, 2, 1, go. So get up. Get up. Halfway there. All right there, keep it up. Go. Nice, dude. Big pull like you will for the contest. There you go. Control and breathing, that's it. 20. 15. That's it. 10, you're ahead. 5. Time. Rest. Sit down. A bird. 9. 10. Easy. Lift. Get it out. One more. Come on. Lift. That's it. Yeah, exactly. Even tired. No, I don't care what the others. Go, step up. Step forward. Nice. Eat. Go. I had to. I thought you were going to stop at 3 and I was doing 4. I had to. You told me whatever I'm going to do. Alright, get it ripping. Easy, guys, come on. Lift. Look. Lift. That's it. Come on. Lift. That's it. Come on. That's it. That's it, dude. Come on. Come on. Ahead. Hell yes. That's too high. It's ridiculous, you guys. I don't want to deadlift or squat otherwise. The first one's hard. Yeah. Until you adjust that motion, that groove. The first one I'm bent over. Yeah. And the others, I'm more upright. First one for me also, because like I pick it up and I'm waiting to hit into the yoke. And it doesn't hit until it does, and I'm like, ah, shit, there it is, kind of thing, you know? Like that little bit of travel distance actually makes it interesting, complicated, yeah. Like you think you're gonna hit it and you keep not hitting it until you do. And then you need to get that extra drive. That's a good exercise. Yeah. And honestly, for the weight that this is total down, I'm feeling really good at that. Where is this? There is pain, but I'm okay. 240 plus 15. 265. Right, yeah. I'm getting this weight down on the deadlift at the gym. I would have been in pain for 2 minutes. Like major pain.